Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix preparing automatic repair loop error in Windows. And I'm sure you're experiencing also, this is the errors you're seeing. For example, choose an option, continue, use a device, troubleshoot, or turn off your PC. It's a pretty irritating or problematic problem on our PC, especially for Windows users. And that being said, I really don't have a way here to show you guys, but I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation for you to go with this tutorial. I'm just showing you right now the exact error you might be seeing on your end. For example, automatic repair, even though you click on continue all the way, it will always go back on this error messages. It's pretty irritating for those frequent errors. So I already have prepared a PowerPoint presentation, or rather a video for you. Let's get through it one by one. So again, that's going to be how to fix preparing automatic repair loop error in Windows. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, opening it up, and then this is the error. For example, your PC did not start correctly error. This is the most, or rather the initial error you're seeing. So please choose the advanced option, and then after choosing the advanced option, please move on to choosing troubleshoot. Again, after choosing advanced option, please proceed with troubleshooting. So after choosing troubleshooting, please go on this next part where you should type in choose command prompt. Don't click on continue because I see a continue button right there, much like this one. Don't click on this one, okay? Click troubleshoot and then click on command option. And that being said, if you choose command prompt, you'll see this one. And then you should enter this specific password of your PC. For example, if you're having a PIN code or a name, please enter it. And then click on this scan now. So this is going to be a command prompt. Make sure you include that dash, because if you only click on scan now, it will not work. So you might be seeing on your end right now a command prompt. Make sure you click on dash, scan now, and then after clicking this one, make sure you type on this command. -F space -R space C and then colon. Make sure that you include those spaces right there and those slash, okay? So there is no slash on the last one, just on the F and the R. After clicking that one, that will take around 2 minutes to process. Just simply click on exit. And that being said, if you click on exit, you'll see this option where you can just simply click on continue. After clicking on exit, you can just simply click on continue, this one right here, and I can assure you, you'll be back on your desktop. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.